Hello everyone, my name is Radhasan, and in today's video we're going to be seeing how to scan WordPress site with the direction mode as aggressive, because the main focus here is exploiting the Social Warfare 3.5.2 plugin that's used in WordPress. This plugin is usually used for powerful share customization purposes, and note this video is only for educational purposes. Now we'll be using an offensive security machine called the Wpwn here, because this machine holds this vulnerability of Social Warfare 3.5.2. What we'll be doing is that here the victim machine will be running the WordPress site with the plugin of Social Warfare. Version is outdated, that's 3.5.2. Latest is 4.3.0, so make sure you update your Social Warfare if you're using. And by using our automated exploit that I've created, that exploit will create a shell.txt payload in our web server directory here, and the contents of that payload are similar to this. You can place any command here of Linux, but in my case, first of all, I'll be placing this command to get the password file from etc directory from the victim, and I'll close the pre-tags. Next, I'll be starting my Python simple HTTP server on port 1234, so that it's directly accessed from the browser, and this server has to be started in this directory so that the shell.txt is automatically executed by the victim. Let me show you a practical example of this. Let's start the Wpwn machine. We're connected to the VPN, and make sure to see your IP of the VPN because it dynamically changes. Here it's Now this wpscan.com has also got a proof of concept of how to exploit this vulnerability of Social Warfare. It's an unauthenticated remote code execution. The same procedure that's listed on here, my exploit will do it automatically. Even accessing this URL will be automatic by using the PyAutoGUI dependency of Python. Let's wait for it to get started. It'll start soon. Now we've got the victim IP. Let's access this IP in the browser, and we see a wpwn box. Have fun. Let's also check the page source for any username and passwords in the comment, but we don't have any. As we know, this is a WordPress site. A WordPress directory can exist on this site, and it really does. Here we see a basic hello world page, nothing so interesting. So let's start our scan of WP scan. URL HTTP, we provide the IP and also the directory of WordPress. Detection mode will be aggressive because we also need to get the plugins. And let's start the scan. It shows that XML RPC is enabled, WordPress readme is found, upload directory has listing enabled, external WP cron is enabled, and version 5.5 is detected, that is insecure. And plugins identified as social warfare. Here's the location of that plugin. And even the scan says that the version is out of date, the latest version is 4.3.0. So let's use our exploit on the social warfare.py. It says start your Python simple HTTP server on port 1234. I'll be starting it from /var HTML directory /home / my username simple HTTP server port 1234. Now it's serving on port 1234, moving the shell.txt to web server. What's your username? It requires your username because it has to move the shell.txt to /var /html by using admin privileges. Okay, file copied to /var /www.html. Target machine IP is also required, which in this case is 192.168.190.123. 192.168.190.123. Open your Python listener at port 1234 and start it. Now whatever you see is being typed automatically by the Python script because I've used the dependency of PyAuto GUI that automatically type writes on the URL on the browser, on the system, wherever you want. Now here is accessing my IP, the attacker IP, with the shell.txt, that's the payload that I've created. And we've got a user.txt. Let's see our payload, what our payload says. Okay, oh wait, so cat /var www.html shell.txt. Okay, so it's pre-system ls home tackies. Okay, the tackies in this case is the username. Let's modify the payload to get the etc password file. I'll be modifying it to cat /etc/password. Save it, close it, and refresh the web page. And here I've got the /etc/password contents. So this is how you can exploit the social warfare 3.5.2 by using this automated Python script. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.